Recently, I wanted a powerful lab bench power supply with RGB lights. So I went ahead and searched for one that meets my requirements on the internet. Well, such a thing didn't exist at all. So it became my job of creating one that suits my requirements. So sit back and watch me how I built this absolute beast. So here are the components that we are going to use for building the PC. And yes, I am going to call it as a PC, even though it isn't. But anyways, I unboxed the motherboard of the PC, which was made by me. Now to the case. I made this case entirely of cardboard. I attached the voltage current display to the case. Now I am attaching two multi-turn potentiometers to later fine adjust the voltage and current values. Since a metal rod sticking out on the case is really not that ideal, I added two knobs for the potentiometers. Next, I took the processor or the XL4016 module, which was attached to a cooler beforehand, and connected the signal cables of the potentiometers to it. And secured the processor with some hot glue. Next, I took the motherboard, secured it inside the case, and connected the wires for the fan and the input voltage wires for the processor. I also connected the wires on the output sides of the processor too. From the motherboard, I connected the 12-volt output to the VCC of the voltage and current display. The negative output of the processor is connected to the current shunt of the voltage current display, which then goes to the output. Next, I connected a DC jack to the 12-volt output so that I can later connect the Arduino Uno board for the RGB LED lights. The positive output of the processor and the output of the PC, which is glued on the outside, is connected to the contact pins of the relay, so I can later control the high current with a small switch. Next, I connected the SMPS cable to the motherboard. The relay signal pin is connected to the power supply too. Now we can safely plug the SMPS to my 12-volt 10-amp socket, and by turning on the power switch on the top, we can see that the PC has turned on successfully. I connected the Arduino Uno to the RGB LED lights. The code, however, was taken from a user in Maker's portal called Joshua Risco. Now back to our supply, aka PC, which works absolutely like a charm with a max voltage of 31 volts and a max current of 10 amps, which is more than enough for me. Wanna see me test this beast? I have uploaded the XL4016 plus OSKJ 150W boost converter load and efficiency test video previously. Link is in the description, and you will also be able to see it on the end screen too. And with that done, thanks for watching, and Happy New Year to everyone.